We've covered a lot of information in this course, and if you've watched all of it, you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed, but that's okay. Unlike a traditional in-person class, you can review, rewind, and re-watch until you feel comfortable. Of course, you can always email me as well, or you can use the comment boxes under each video lesson to ask questions or leave comments about a specific lesson. These comment boxes are also a great way to seek feedback from and interact with other students who are taking the course. In addition, if you choose to take other courses in the Foundations of Traditional Woodworking series, you'll get lots of opportunities to practice the skills that you learned in this course. The other courses in the Foundations of Traditional Woodworking series are designed to build upon the skills that you learned in this course. For example, in Joinery Foundations, the next course in the Foundations of Traditional Woodworking series will build a small wall cupboard. However, even though the primary focus of Joinery Foundations will be on making basic joinery, there'll be lots of opportunities to practice your hand sawing and hand planing as well. So thank you for joining me for this course. If you enjoyed the course, please consider taking a minute to leave a review on the main course page. This will greatly help other prospective students as they consider enrolling. Also, the best way that you can show your appreciation is to spread the word about these courses to other students that might enjoy taking them. Positive word of mouth is the best thanks that I could ask for. So thank you again for joining me. I wish you the best of luck with your woodworking, and I hope to see you again soon.